Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Engineered to perform, proprietary cork-rubber formulation. Superior seal, highly conformable to accommodate for the imperfect sealing surfaces. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. Real-world tested. Parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. Great FelPro quality and no leaks. I've used FelPro gaskets for years on many different applications. I out these on a 6.0 Powerstroke diesel and they are nice gaskets. The stock gaskets can be reused, but mine looked like they were getting older and one seemed to leak a little. These gaskets are clearly well made and fit perfectly. There are no leaks. Make sure the valve cover bolts are torqued properly. They are pretty thick gaskets and didn't require any RTV to get them to seal. I think they're certainly as good as the OEM gaskets. I bought aother set for my Acura TL, since it has a leaky valve cover gasket and I am confident that FelPro gaskets will seal and last.